This conference will now be
And yesterday
recorded.
we had done with few of the Excel concepts. So let's continue with it. So before that, let me share my screen. So yesterday we had done with few of the things in Excel. So any doubts related to it? If anybody is having any doubts related to yesterday, whatever we have covered, please you can get it clarified. Any doubts in yesterday's class? Yesterday till where we completed, guys, anybody could tell me till where we finished? So we finished with multiplication. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, multiplication we have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I wanted everybody to till here everything is clear, right? Okay, so I wanted everybody to open. I wanted you people to open with this average function sheet. Proper. So let's the first average calculation. Average means what? So generally when we are talking about calculating, applying the calculation in means, so to do first in the total. First I wanted to find the total. Then I have to find the count. Okay. So total, I'll tell equals sum and select the value. I get total. Count, I'm going to use the count function to know how many number of cells I'm using for this calculation. Okay, so this is what we get the answer. Generally in terms of math, we calculate it. So total divided by number of count. So this is the average what we get. So let's see, am I getting the same answer over here? I will tell average and I will select the range. So here it is rounding of the value and I'm getting the output. So this one, so this is generally the mathematical calculation, how we calculate the average, and this is using the function. Okay, I wanted you people to try with sales amount, the average sales unit value. I have got it. You people to try with average sales amount. If you did not understand, please tell. I will explain it once again. If it is clear, I wanted you people to try. Any doubts, please get it clarified. Any doubts, guys?
Done, ma'am.
Okay, let's move to the next one. coming to sum product. Okay, so there are two. I wanted you people to solve with one. Okay, what is sum product is? So usually whenever we are applying the calculation, say here, I wanted to know the total revenue. So they have given the list of product names, the cost of each product and units sold. So whenever I have to apply with the calculation, I'll be making the multiplication. I'll multiply the values. So units sold into cost of product. I'll apply fill handle, and then I will make the total. Alt equal, I get the total like this. So here I am performing two different functions, two different calculations I am performing. One is multiplication followed up with I am performing with sum also. So now instead of this performing two different function, what I am going to do is I am going to do only one function. Okay, I'm going to perform only one calculation, that is called as sum product. So how am I going to do the sum product? I'll tell sum product and first array. Array means, so when I'm picking one cell, it is called as cell value. When you are picking a range of cell, when you are picking the range of cells, it is called as array. First I'm going to pick the cost of products, comma, then I'm going to pick the units sold and then close the bracket. See, whatever the answer I got over there, I got the same answer over here. So here I have used the sum function where I have applied the multiplication and then I have done the sum. And here using the sum product, so in one single function itself, I have found the answer. Try with this. First, apply with multiplication calculation. And then apply with sum calculation. And then try with sum product. Guys, I wanted you people to try with the second one also. So you have to calculate salary per month and you have to calculate the salary per year, both.
For per year, we have to divide by 12, ma'am.
You have to do, think about it. So they are telling number of employees I have, salary per employee. So cost per month. So per month, this is the cost
So
and
it will
total
be
salary
into
per month.
12.
So yes, so it is not division. It should be multiplied by 12. Guys, if there is any doubts, you can get it clarified. Once solving the first one, try solving the second one as well. So you need to calculate salary per month and then you have to calculate the salary per year. That is enough. So who has got this answer? So I think for the financial year you are talking about. So if I'm calculating salary per month, so each person, number of employees, salary per employee, I'll come here, I'll apply the fill handle. So salary per month would be this one. So salary per annum would be. So here when I'm calculating this value like this, I'm getting this. So if I'm some product, so if I tell some product and I'll pick the number of employees and salary, I'm getting this value. So salary, total salary per year will be equals this amount in 12. It is correct. So here I've applied the basic sum calculation as we did previously for your understanding purpose. Here we have taken some product. Nisarga and Priya, you have got the right answer.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next count and time. Okay, so generally when we are entering the date in Excel, it becomes very important for our understanding how Excel is looking at our data. Okay, so there are two perceptions, usually the user perception and the other perception is from Excel as well. Okay, so when I'm entering the date, usually how we enter the writing the date. So let me say I will be entering 23/7/2026. So this is how we write the date, right? But when I'm using the shortcut key, so here if you see, so here text are always left aligned and numbers are always right aligned. Now when I use the shortcut key to enter the date, control colon, so my actual date is appearing to be on the right hand side when I'm talking about the date what I have entered. Now what is the issue? Why it is appearing in two different ways? So why? Because here I'm not following the system date. So Excel follows as per your system date, the first thing, and used full stop over there, that is dot. So 23/7/2026 I have given. So whenever I'm using dot also, Excel will not identify that as a numerical based value. So it will identify it as a text. So that is setting on the right left alignment. Okay. So now if I tell that, ma'am, if I am entering it, so if I don't use this full stop, let me say 23/7/2026. Still my date is aligned on the left side only. Why? So why? Because I'm not following the system date. So it's important that you follow the system date. Say now I try to enter over here. So let me say it is, so my system date is first they have given month hyphen 23 hyphen 2026. So in my system it is forward given. So whenever you are entering the date, so either it should be in a hyphen or it should be in forward slash. You cannot use the dot. If you use, Excel will consider that as a date, so as a text. Now you might ask that what is the differences, ma'am? What will happen either I am using a dot or I am using an hyphen or a forward slash? For me everything is a date only.
We can't listen to you, ma'am.
Guys, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, there was some network issue. Extremely sorry about it. Okay, I hope you people are able to see my screen now. Okay, so whenever we are entering the date, it becomes very important how Excel is accepting our data. Why? Because whenever we are performing any financial functions, or say if I wanted to calculate the interest, or I wanted to calculate the EMI, or anything has such, date plays very important role. Okay, so that is why how it is accepting that will be important. And now whenever I wanted to enter the current date, the short control colon, so control colon helps me to enter current date. And if I wanted to enter the current time, control shift and semicolon, I get current time. Okay, so now if to enter random date or time, how to perform it? So here date related functions, we have date, time, now, today, network, days, all those things. So let me say I wanted date. So date, what is the argument? So here is one argument, month is one argument, day is one argument. Here, let me say random 2008 here. Month is first, that is January month, 17th date. I'm giving some random date. As I press enter, Excel is going to accept the date. Now, if I wanted to enter the time, so let me say time. So I will enter the hour. The first argument is hour. Let me say 3 o'clock, minutes, 45 minutes, and second. So again, my system is going for my system date and time. And in my system time, it is only minutes and hours. Okay, so there is no seconds, but it's still here, it is a mandatory argument which I have to give. I'll close the bracket, enter. So I'm getting 3:45 a.m. So now I wanted 3:45 p.m. means what should I do? I'll go back to the first cell and I'll press F2 to edit the cell. And now here 3 o'clock given, I'm going to change the standard timing to 15 hour. Okay, as I change it to 15 hour, I get 5 p.m. Now, if I wanted to enter the current date and current time, both I wanted to know. So I'll type in now and open the parenthesis, no argument. So Excel is telling just open and close parenthesis. That is open and close the bracket. I get current date and current time. Okay. So I wanted to enter current date, then I'll be using today function. Today, and as you can see, arguments, just open and close the bracket and enter. So I get current date. So these are some options how we can write it. So I wanted you people to try with this first.
Ma'am, is there a shortcut key to directly enter the time as well?
Control shift and colon. Control colon for date. Control shift and semicolon for time. That
Okay,
is
ma'am.
and current time. So try with enter. So it's not that whatever I have given, you should try the same. Doubts in this, guys? Is it done? Okay, Pratibha and Nisarga are done with this. Okay, now let's network days. So how does network work? Let me enter a date. Okay, so I'll give the start date, I'll give the end date, then I wanted to calculate the network days. So let me say date. So here 2026 month 1st January date. So January 1st to 2026. Now here again I am using the date, year 2026, month January, and date 31st date. So I am entering the date to 31st. Okay, so now I wanted to see the networking days. Okay, whenever I have to calculate the gratuity or something like that, then I have to use this network days. Okay, that is net working days. So out of in the January month, I wanted to know net working days are there. So I will take equal network days. So there are two types of network days, as you can see. So one is network days, second one is network days international. So let's try with both. I'll take network days. So what is the argument is what is the start date is. So this is my start date, comma, end date. So my end date is this, and this network day function, what it will do is it will by default take up with Saturday, Sunday as a weekend. Okay. So now here holiday, it is not a mandatory detail. I'll just put comma and close the bracket. So as this network day is going to take Saturday, Sunday as a weekend, out of that 31 days, so 22 days net working days are there, it is telling. Now say most of the time we will be having different types of holidays will be there. So there are more than 30 countries which are using Excel. So not all the countries will be following it as like Saturday, Sunday has a weekend. So at that point of time, I wanted to choose my weekend. So I will select Network Day International. Now, as per the argument, what is the start date is? This is my start date, comma, end date, comma, comma now. Here it is showing the list of types of weekends. So whichever type of weekend you wanted, you can choose. So let me say only Sunday we are having holiday. Okay, so we are working from Monday to Saturday. So I'll just double click on this. So the serial number 11 will appear over here. I'll close it. Parenthesis, enter. So now in the 31 days, 27 days are networking days. So that means what? 4 Sundays it is calculating. Okay. So like this, we can calculate the networking days. And here they have given some people like Honey, Sagya. So they have joined at different dates. Till date, what is the networking days I wanted? So let me say I will take network days only. So the start date, comma, the end date, comma, and I am going to close the bracket. So it is 2900 days starting from 2015 to 2026 here. Now for the I need not have to do it again. Simply what I'll do is I'll come here and apply the fill handle. My calculation is done. Okay. This we can calculate the networking days. I wanted you people to try with this. Any doubts in this? If you are having any doubts, you can get it clarified.
Ma'am, can you explain the network days international once again?
See, network days means it is going to take Saturday, Sunday as weekend by default. Whichever country you are in, Saturday, Sunday will be weekend. But every places it doesn't carries the same thing, right? Different countries, different types of policies, different weekend. So at that point of time, I am going to work on network day international. Okay. First argument is start date. I'll mention date, comma, the end date. So I'll mention the end date, comma, and type what type of weekend. So you can choose whichever type of weekend you wanted. So I told that I'm selecting Sunday, for which they have mentioned the serial number 11. As cursor here and double click, serial number 11 will appear here, and it will tell there are 27 net working days. That means 4 Sundays it is taking as holiday, as a weekend. Clear, ma?
Yes. I'm done.
Done, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
So coming to the next one, text functions. For my understanding purpose, okay, so text functions means, so text function means this functions will deal only with the text related. That is text based data, it works. Okay, so now here I am going to apply. So there are different types of text functions in Excel. So we have left function, right function, mid function, len, proper, repeat, lower, upper, concatenate, and to find the day, all those things we have. Okay, let's understand how to write these functions, and these functions I'm going to perform it on this word devices. Okay, I'm going to perform it on devices. So here this is my left alignment and this side is my right alignment. Okay, so when I tell left, so as per the syntax, so the first argument is text. So on which particular word I wanted to apply this text function, I wanted to apply it on this particular word. Okay, comma. So then comma, number of characters I wanted to view. Okay, so from the left hand side I wanted to view 3 characters. Enter. So it is Dev. Okay, so now if I tell that I wanted right function, so equal right, select the word, and from the right hand side I wanted to view 5 characters. So that is VICES. So I'll mention 5 and close the bracket, enter. I get 5 characters extracted from the right hand side. Say from I wanted mid function. Okay, so on which particular word you wanted to apply this mid function? On this particular word, comma, the next argument. Say I wanted to extract ice, ICE. Okay, so start num, from which character it has to commence to extract. So starting from the 4th character, as I told, I wanted to extract ice, ICE. So I is commencing as a 4th character. So start num would be 4th character. From there, I wanted to pick out 3 ICE. I wanted 3 characters. I'll close the parenthesis, enter. So the middle 3, whichever thing you wanted, you can mention it, the start number. From there, how many number of characters you can mention. Excel will extract. So then we have len. Len function, it is going to tell you the length of the word. So len, and select the cell. So that will tell me the number of characters. So that is there in the word devices. So there are 7 characters. So now proper case. Proper case means capitalizing the first letter. Proper. I'll select the word, enter. So the first letter, see, it will be in proper case. Okay. So this 5 formula function, you people to try it. In this, any doubt you are having, please let me know. Okay, now as you people are there, I will just call out your names and mark the attendance. Please answer your attendance. Aditya, Guys,
Oh,
either
yes,
you
ma'am.
have to. Yes. Alia?
Ma'am, Priya Umesh Pujari.
Priya Umesh Pujari.
Yes, ma'am, present.
Yeah, I'll call out as per the attendance list, ma.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
can answer, or you can just in the chat box you can raise your hand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Alia Anjum. Ananya. Ananya Satish. Angel Maria. Guys, either you have to enter your attendance or you should raise your hand. If you don't do anything, it will be difficult for me to mark your attendance. Angel Maria. Angel Singh. Ashaz Ahmad. Ashaz. Ashish.
Present, ma'am.
Ashmit.
Present, ma'am.
Chaitanya.
Present, ma'am.
Chaitan. Claudia Sherin. Claudia Sherin
Present,
Sylvester.
ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Diksha Pooja. Harini R. Harini R. Harini Sundaram.
Present, ma'am.
This is Harini Sundaram.
Yes, ma'am.
Rishika Gowda.
Present, ma'am.
Humaira.
Present, ma'am.
Pradakshna.
Present, ma'am.
Gnanakshi. Kirtana M.
Present, ma'am.
Khyati.
Present, ma'am.
This is Kirtana or Khyati?
Kirtana, ma'am.
Okay, Khyati Mishra. Angel Singh is present. Okay, Kiran. Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
This is Lakshmi or Kiran?
Lakshmi, ma'am.
Okay, Manasa.
Present, ma'am.
Mayuka. Yunus. Namita.
Present, ma'am.
Namita K. Namita K. Namrata Swapna Naveen. Namrata K. Namrata K. Nisarga S.
Present, ma'am.
Pearl.
Present, ma'am.
Pratibha A. This is Pearl.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratibha A.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Namita K is present. Pratibha A is present.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Okay. Preeta M.
Present, ma'am.
Pujita M. Pujita M. Purvika.
Present, ma'am.
Pujita is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Purvika Venu.
Present, ma'am.
Raina.
Present, ma'am.
Rishika.
Ma'am, Raina is present.
Who is this?
Raina, ma'am.
Raina. Raina is
Yes.
present. Yeah, I have marked present only, ma.
Okay,
Rishika
ma'am.
R. Raj. Priya Umesh Pujari is present. Yeah, I have marked present, Priya.
Okay, ma'am, because in
Rish-
P it did not come, so I asked.
Okay. So, Rishika R. Raj. Roxanne. Guys, if you are unable to answer your attendance message in the chat. Roxanne. Rupika. Rupika G.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanvi.
Present, ma'am.
Roxanne is present. Then Yunus is present. Sanvi is present.
Present, ma'am.
Harini. Harini.
Present, ma'am.
Ananya Satish. Shreya Krishnamurthy. Purvika Venu. Purvika Venu, I have marked attendance, ma. Present. Pujita,
Okay.
yes. Sanvi is also present. This is Pujita.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Sakshi S.
Present, ma'am.
Samyukta. Sharlene.
Present, ma'am.
This is Shalmali Roy.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
And Sharlene.
Yes. Present, ma'am. Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Sharlene, I marked. Shivani.
Present, ma'am.
Shavya. Shavya S. Samyukta Shri, I have marked. Tanvi, I have marked present. Sudeshna.
Present, ma'am.
Sha.
Present, ma'am.
Shreya, Shreya, Shreya Krishnamurti Kavadi. I'm talking about Shreya Kutari. Shreya Krishnamurti Kavadi, I have marked present. Roxanne also have marked present. Shreya Kutari. Vanishri, see?
Present, ma'am.
Vanishri. This is Vanishri.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Varun. Varun M.
Present, ma'am.
Vedanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Zaida.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Vanishri, I have marked present, ma. Okay, if anybody see the guys who have missed out is Alia Anjum. If Alia Anjum is there, please answer your attendance. I have marked, ma. I have marked your attendance. Risha, Angel Maria, then Ashaz Ahmad, then Diksha Pooja, Harini R, Gnanakshi, Khyati Mishra, Kiran, then Ayukha, Namrata, then Rishika, Namita Agrawal. Anamita, have marked your attendance, ma. It is present. Shravya and Shreya Kotari. So these people have not answered the attendance. Guys, if you people are there, please ask them. If they are unable to communicate, ask them to put a
Excuse me, ma'am.
done or you
Ma'am?
Namrata I have marked present. Shreya Krishnamurti Kavadi, I have marked your attendance. Harini Sundaram, I have marked your attendance too, ma.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Mayukha is present. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, Shravya, she cannot answer, ma'am. Her mic is having some glitches.
She
So she
can
said
put
she's
the
busy.
she can put the message, right?
Yeah, ma'am, I'll let her know.
Namita Agrawal, I have marked your attendance also, ma. Mayukha, I marked your attendance too. Guys, if it is done, type in 1 in the chat box. Okay, we'll do the other 5 and then we will wind up. So tomorrow, if you want, we will continue again from the other 5 also. Okay, so repeat. So repeat means when I wanted to repeat a particular word in a multiple time. Okay, so repeat devices. Say I wanted to repeat devices thrice. So devices get repeated thrice. Now if I wanted to apply lowercase, say here I will type in computers, computer. I wanted to change this to lowercase. So I'll tell lower and I will select the word. So lower, so the uppercase which is in capitals, it will be changed to the lowercase. Now if I wanted to change something to uppercase, that is in capitals, upper, select the word, enter. So I'll get the word completely in uppercase. Then, so if you are not able to finish it today, tomorrow we'll continue again from the 6th function only. Okay, 6th one from the repeat function, we'll continue it. Guys, need not have to worry. So if I wanted to concatenate, okay, let's try with this 3 only, because next one you might find it difficult if I rush it. So try with this 3 and we will wind up.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we're also done.
Okay. So today we have covered with different types of functions, like we with average function, how to calculate the average in terms of math and in terms of Excel function, then how to calculate the sum product. So when we are performing 2 individual functions, how to perform with sum product we understood, and we understood how to write with the date and time function and network days function, and then few of text functions we have covered. So any doubts in today's class?